Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share live location Snapchat. Live location Snapchat allows you to share the exact location of where you are with your friends and loved ones on the map within a short time. It is a simple system that allows you to track your safety measures in real time or even meet up easily. Location sharing on Snapchat enables your friends and loved ones to identify your whereabouts on your Snap Map in real time. It's up to you to control how long your friends can track you. This is so important since it proves the other party that you are already on your way to meet or encounter them. Sharing a live location on your Snapchat enables your loved ones to trace your whereabouts in real time. The steps on how to share a location in your Snapchat is: first, access your friend's profile on your Snapchat app. Under the name of your friend's name, click on the plus icon, then tap Share My Live Location button. Select your sharing duration, either 1 hour, 8 hour, 15 minutes, or etc. Snapchat share live location durations. Enable location access if it's disabled on your device. Then give the permissions to proceed. Live location sharing begins. The moment you share your live location with your friends, they will view your real-time happenings on the map. Though Snapchat sends no notifications to them about the sharing itself. It is said to be discreet. However, they will view your location on Snap Map so long as you keep sharing it. Besides, your friends will note the timer counting down your chosen sharing duration. More so, you're free to stop sharing the live location any moment without alerting your friends. Snapchat doesn't alert you on whether or not you see your live location. This application only updates the map location minus revealing the friends that has seen it. The live location featured on Snapchat fails to display the time last seen by the users. It simply reveals their current map location in real time. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.